In this video, I'll show you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. Google's built-in voice typing feature works in Google Docs on a computer. According to Google, you need a working microphone, a supported browser, and microphone permission turned on before you start. Once that is ready, you can dictate text and even use voice commands while writing. First, open your document in Google Docs on your computer. Then go to the top menu, click Tools, and choose Voice Typing. A microphone box will appear on the screen. When you're ready, click the microphone icon and start speaking clearly at a normal pace. Google says your words will appear in the document as you talk. If this is your first time using it, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Make sure you allow that access, or voice typing will not work. Google also notes that your computer microphone needs to be turned on and working properly before Docs can listen to your voice. Before you begin dictating, check the language setting in the voice typing box and choose the language you want. Google provides a list of supported languages for voice typing, so picking the correct one can make the recognition more accurate. After that, click the microphone again and start speaking your text naturally. You can also say punctuation out loud. For example, you can say words like comma, period, or question mark while you speak. Google also says you can use voice commands for editing in supported languages, which helps with things like moving through the document or making corrections without touching the keyboard as much. If Google types something incorrectly, you can move your cursor to the mistake, fix it manually, and then continue dictating. Google explains that you do not have to completely stop working just because one word was transcribed wrong. In some cases, you may also see suggested alternatives for words that were recognized uncertainly. When you're done, click the microphone again to stop voice typing. So the full process is simple. Open your doc, go to Tools, choose Voice Typing, allow microphone access, select your language, click the mic, and start speaking. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.